Hi everyone, I am Julian. I'm Emily, and we have a makeup tutorial, just a natural tutorial for you. I'm the first, and she's the second. Okay. I'm Rapunzel makeup. Okay. First, you will put some cream foundation using this small brush from Body Shop. From Body Shop. Sorry. So you get it. And now let's put it just a little bit of it. This is my scarlet. It makes okay. Then can you get it? Later, I'm the first. And put some, and I will use my fingers to spread it. Hey, and put it. I will use my fingers to spread it out. This is only a natural makeup because I'm a simple girl, or you. Wait, I forgot it in my eyes. Okay, I'm done putting it. And now, foundation. Now I'm done blushes. I will use this one. This Alu makeup from Alu. And it's a shimmer shake blush. And from HBC, it's Diana. So I will use this pink color. Yes, pink color. It's for my face. Okay. Just smile, best smile. You give it a best smile. And after that, give some concealer into your cheekbones. Give a brown concealer for your cheekbones. This is my coffee. Look. That's my coffee in that mirror. That's my coffee. Okay, after that, from my eyeshadow, okay, I'll use a lightly brown for it. Can't you close the door? I'll put it to my eyelid. After that, it's just only light brown. I'll use my fingers for it. I'll use the black color. Just the black color. And put it. I will put it then. After that, I'll use the brown color. It's not here. And put a little violet into your eye crease. Like that. And I'll put you have a black? No? A black color to your you know. Like mo kasi nilip at pink. Pagkatilan ko hindi ko na hindi nga nakikita. Kasi wait, and I'll put a lipstick it to my no, you use first this. That is a glow. That's all. And I will use a gloss. right now. Hi. First. Hindi ko pinipili. Chill. Flash? Paano ba? Baka nito na lang kinabahan natin. Chill. Panito. Chill. Paano ba? Panito na lang. I will really put you a concealer. Can I? Put a concealer. I will put you a concealer. So your makeup is the best makeup tutorial. Please. Concealer. Okay. What is that color? Gold. Golden and green. Okay. Please. Konti. So, sino? Okay, this is a natural makeup tutorial. I have. That's all. Thank you for watching this. Ito mas maganda. Please like and subscribe,
Ay,
and comment.
dito tayo